Hello and welcome back. So in today's video we have a quiz time. So these are all questions relating to media studies. So in this video there are a series of questions about media studies. You can use this as part of your class activity. Test your knowledge. So before we start our quiz, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Okay, let's get started. Question 1. What does the term mass media refer to? What does the term mass media refer to? Answer: the technological means or channels of communication that reach a large number of people, such as television, radio, newspapers, and the internet. Question number 2. Who coined the phrase, "The medium is the message"? Answer to Marshall McLuhan. Question number 3. What is the study of signs and symbols in media called? What is the study of signs and symbols in media called? Answer 3. Semiotics. Question number 4. What is the term for editing used in films to present separate scenes as occurring simultaneously? What is the term for editing used in films to present separate scenes as occurring simultaneously? Answer 4. Cross-cutting or parallel editing. Question number 5. What does the acronym BBC stand for? What does the acronym BBC stand for? Answer 5. British Broadcasting Corporation. Question number 6. In media theory, what is the hypodermic needle model? In media theory, what is the hypodermic needle model? Answer 6. A model that suggests that media messages are directly and passively received and accepted by the audience without questioning. Question number 7. What does postmodernism refer to in media studies? What does postmodernism refer to in media studies? Answer 7. A late 20th century style and concept in the arts and media characterized by a distrust of grand theories and ideologies, blurred boundaries between genres, and a focus on style over substance. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of documentary film? Who is known as the father of documentary film? Answer 8. Robert Flaherty. Question number 9. What is citizen journalism? What is citizen journalism? Answer 9. The collection, analysis, and dissemination of news by members of the public, especially by means of the internet. Question number 10. What is the Bechdel test used to assess in films? What is the Bechdel test used to assess in films? Answer 10. The representation of women in fiction. It asks whether a work features at least two women who talk to each other about something other than a man. Well done, you have now completed the quiz. How many did you get right? If you enjoyed this quiz and you would like to see more quizzes in my channel, make sure you comment, like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel and see you in the next video. Bye for now.